Good morning, good morning. Sorry about the late start again. About a minute to the open. Main watch is AZTR. GCTK, it's up quite a bit. It's a reverse split though. 1 to 20 reverse split, with the price yesterday being 5 cents, so that would put it at a $1 valuation. So I have that marked out right here. Basically, if this doesn't do a reverse split setup and go bonkers, then if it starts breaking down these 140, 130 levels, you can expect the price to kind of come down, back down toward one, where the real value is. So we'll see. If it starts going up, we'll trade it, obviously, but um, if it breaks 128, I'm probably gonna just split off. AZTR is our leading gapper. That's not a reverse split. Right now it's holding around VWAP. So notes, I yesterday I did some reviewing of my trading and I made some notes. It was to um be more diligent about taking profits instantly. There's been many frost breakouts lately, so focus on breakdowns instead. So that is my notes from yesterday. Back over 50 on GCTK. I have 52 on this candle. Watching the next candle. It holds 50. Took it off at 50. Buyer at 46 still. It's not going. Definitely used too much size there on Q2 I should have used 200 instead of 400. QNTM's a little tricky. VLCN halted at the open, so I'll just watch it on resumption. See if it does anything. I'm buying too high on QNTM. Yeah, I'm gonna get chopped up that way. 79 to the halt up. Watch it. GCTK. Cap 70 there. Watch retest of 69 and 70. Green orders going through. Buyer coming in at 67. $83 now halt up. There's 60, 74, 76. At 71. Seller came in at 74. Yikes. VLCN halted for 10 minutes. EVAX looks decent for a red to green move. It's pulling back right now. Low at 52 on that last candle. High at 71. 76. Out at 74. Back in 69 with the buyer at 68. Back out. Topping tail on the 1. Watching 75 break. Watching 80. It's 85. Out the rest at 78 with that seller at 79. GCTK is kind of moving pretty predictably with these buyers and sellers. VLCN instantly halted up at second resumption. Or its first resumption. Yeah, so VLCN really strong there. I don't think there was an entry if you were not in it, but if you were in it, good for you. You got a nice little squeeze there. Watching 71 for first count to make a new high. Taking it off at 72 as we hit a little bit of a pause in the price action. Back in, watching 75 now. Not breaking 73 yet. Yeah, GCTK is moving very predictably. It's just like it's basically just doing what like a textbook would tell you to do, like first count making it high, find the extended dip. They all seem to be working out. Watching break of 80, sellers there. There's the break. Selling at highs. Watching now break of 85. Not going quite yet. Watching one more time. I'm in a little bit too high. Took a bigger loss there. Trying to catch a bottom here. Watching 85 break now. Seller at 87. May break it. It's a really bullish push here. Watching 90 break. Out at 87. Watching 90. $208 halt up. Buyer stepping at 94. Buyer or seller at 98. Resumption on VLCN if it opens right now. Showing a much lower resumption at 703. $633 is the hold down. Watching break a 2, GCDK. Out at 202. 204 highs. 205. Can we get towards 210? 214's high a day pre-market. It's false breaking. Needs to hold 2 before the candle closes. Yeah, taking a loss there. Watching break a 2. Oh, PLCN halting down. At a 207. Should break at 214. At 213. Oh wow. Where was this? Capped. Nice call out. This looks like it's halted. It'll resume in 4 minutes. What a move from 50 to 95. Huh. In just 3 candles? Oh, there was a halt there. Okay. But still, just like two 1 minute candles. Went from 55 to 75. Wow. Damn. That's a great move. So we'll get resumption on capped at 54:37 on the clock. Let's see what else is halted. Not that. Yeah, so just capped is a good halt. Five seconds till next candle. Yeah, no, capped has gone straight up, so if it does resume and the resumption's a little bit bearish, I'm staying away. Um, yeah, these sub dollars, they tend to move very large percentages. Not that many cents per share, but large percentages compared to the price it's at. So you'll get like a 20-cent drop, and that's like 30% of the price. When you're throwing your whole account in, you can lose quite a bit. Late entry for me on GCTK. Should have been in around 90. Take off at break even. Capped, I'll get set up for my shares. 2000 should be fine. Showing a flat resumption, 94 actually. Small gap up. 15 seconds to go. 5 seconds. Careful. 79 halt down. Wow. Lost 4 cents in like half a second. Ooh, right at the end it looked like it was about to not stick the halt level. I'll keep that in mind when watching the next resumption, but it looked like it was about to not stick. Yeah, it does. Is it, what's the float on it? Let's see. 30 mil? Hmm. Seems like it won't move that much. Lots of big sellers on the ask. Might be too thickly traded. It's VLCN. Breaking 40. There's 69. Out there at 69. Got back to green on the ticker. Watch the hot level move up. $84 now. There's 80. Be flushing too heavily. I'm not sure with the VLCN. I think I'm just gonna call it break even on that one. Don't really feel like I have any edge there. Yeah, with HEBC, it's a higher float. It feels like you need to kind of be in on the pullback, like right around here or here. You can't really buy breakouts unless you're only getting like 1 penny. Alright, so back to capped. 95, we halted down 79, showing an 80 resumption. Alright, we got resumption here at 55, or top of the hour, plus 7 cents, or 7 seconds. So 2, 1, 65 is a halt down. Crap, I misjudged that. Watching 80 still. Yeah, I'm getting chopped up with that 80 level. Darn. Fuck. That was bad. That was really bad. Damn. These breakouts are just not working out. There's 84. Then it's not holding 80. Yeah. Yeah, now I gave back way too much uncapped. Fuck, man. Just focus on GCT TK. Big seller at 2 on GCTK. Watching the extension towards high day on GCTK. We have the buying pressure. Come on, 205. Cutting it early. Already gone. So bad. Yeah. God. Just throwing money away. Needed to wait for the break of 90. This would be the trade, but still failing. It's a bigger red day. Damn it, man. It's very frustrating. I really screwed this day. I had 1300. Yeah, uncapped, I just wasn't accepting the dips here. Like I only lost 80 on this first initial drop. Or no, 100, I think it was 100. 5 cents on 2,000 shares. And then the rest of it is all on this chop right here. This right here was, I think, was the killer. This false breakout. Put me down 800 on that. From 1300, I was only up 500. Just screwed up GCT. Like I lost 2,000 on this, right? Or 1,800. From up 500 to down 1,300. In literally like 3 minutes. I don't know. Like, man. I have to watch that back because I'm not really sure what happened. I don't think I should have lost that much in 3 minutes with that sizing. That's ridiculous. I'll have to watch back those last 5-10 minutes. But yeah, that's it for today. I can't trade anymore. I knew on that last trade I took though. I knew on this last trade right here when I was holding a huge position for a 10-cent loss. I knew I was at 400 red something. And so I knew I was close to max loss. I just kind of swung it for a Hail Mary. This was stupid. It tripled the red day, essentially. Man, that was so stupid. Alright, well, right on every single thing I touched today, unfortunately. February's not off to a good start. What really sucks is usually January and February are where I make a lot of, like a decent chunk of my year, and January's in the books as a red month already, and February started with 2 red days. So usually I'm doing really good during this part of the year, and then usually March through July is my slow period. Um, so I don't know what will happen if I don't have anything to show for February and January going into my slow period. Our typical slow period is March and onward. We'll see though. I was really happy with yesterday that we did walk where we walked because we were only down 500. And then the beginning of today, I was up 1300. I was like, okay, well, yeah, because I followed rules yesterday, I'm green over the course of those 2 days. Um, Green $800, and then I don't know, man. I get triggered way too easily. Gotta work on that. Alright, well, I'll be back tomorrow, guys. Good luck with your trading.